I just want to let you guys understand, I'm so glad the young man did bring up, but I do educate our community on 3 things that you should never mess up, and that is your driving record, your background, and your credit. And one thing, credit is power. Having the feeling to walk up in the bank and get the capital that you need to make your dreams come true is the most powerful thing you can have today. So I do have a program with 25 and under where I show you how to put $50K worth of lines of credit onto your credit report so you can walk up into a bank and start your own business. Because at the end of the day, you should not be using your own money. You should be using whose money?
Other people's money.
Exactly. Okay, so my name is Ty Burton. You can do Tyestyle, TYESTYLE. CreditSolutions.com. And I am willing to help anyone if you have any questions. It's a passion of mine. I was able to build my credit from a 474. Yes, I set it to perfect credit, and I have over 6 figures worth of lines of credit. So who's the best to learn from? Ty.